Yeah. I'm cooking some soup. I cook chicken neck and chicken foot soup. Chicken neck with chicken foot soup. I'm letting the pumpkin boil and thing, and now the pumpkin I go mash out to create the broth. And I got pumpkin in the pot right now. I got pumpkin, chicken, well not chicken. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna tell you now what I'm having there. So in the pot right now, pumpkin, pimento seeds, and garlic. That's what is going on in the pot right now. And I'm cooking some soup. So it's gonna be chicken feet with chicken neck.